This 2014 Forest River Solera 24S is a Class C RV. It is located in Springfield, Missouri, 65802 and is offered for sale by Reliable RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features a Sahara, cafe, Mink interior, sleeps 4, Slideout, and 41 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2014 Forest River Solera 24S is built on a Mercedes Benz chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.